back to my YouTube channel. And today I am going to be opening up this Little Sisters. This is the new one. So yeah, and I would really appreciate if you guys brought me some fan mail. This is my address right here. There. Right there. This is my whole address. Don't mind this. Just there we go. Is that better?
Yep. I've been showing them the top.
All right, so let's get started. I actually already peeled it. Right. From right here, but you guys get to see. I didn't look.
She didn't.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. So it has a little sister. I think this is Kansas Cutie sister. Okay. So let's just peel the next one. Open. And I'm going to keep the wrapping so I can see what they are seeing. No, I don't think we have a little sister right here. Okay, so
I think you should need video because you need help wrapping.
oh, there we go. You guys. Oops. Ah! This is so adorable. We have a pink one. Oh my gosh, there is like it says right here I'm supposed to get one. I didn't get one.
Maybe it's inside the ball.
Oh my gosh. All right. I think it's supposed to like come inside of the ball.
Yes.
Okay, so
That's
I
why
think so. Okay.
You just stole my thinking.
All right. Oh, I really don't want to. All right. So, oh my gosh. All right, there we go. Oh. Move that.
Move that.
All right, so let's get started. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Told you.
All right. We found this. All right, so let's see what we have. You guys might not be able to see it, but this one says sweet. I think it's cat. Sourpuss? I think it's sourpuss. You guys, it's sourpuss. Oh my gosh, I got it correct. Ah! Right, so, let's see. What does this one say? Oh my gosh. So this one says LOL surprise. There's all these different ones on there. Okay, so this one I'm gonna start with. I can't. Okay, so let's. Oh my gosh. Let's just. Oh my god. All right, there. You guys, these are so cute. These are adorable. These can be cute for it. Okay. Oh my god, this is so adorable. All right, so I know it's not gonna be this one because of the shoes. So yeah. Okay. You guys, all right. So let's see this one. So we have this keychain. I'm gonna put this on the vault. Oh my gosh. All right, I will show you the checklist next. Okay. All right, so this is the whole checklist. Let me just this. Okay. So these are all of the cute little babies. These are all of them. Oh my gosh, they came out with little legs. Oh, that's so adorable.
Let's see if you guys can find it. I feel like you got that one.
That one, I feel like I got that one too. All right.
Or
I can get this one, but you never know, guys. So
Yeah.
let's get on. So this is the little baby.
That's the bottle?
Wait, no, I think this one's the baby.
But that one's good.
All right, so let's see what this one is. Let me just straighten this bag out. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Oh, you guys, this is so cute. This is the cutest little bag ever. Alright, that is so cute. Okay. I gotta calm down about these cute little
She just
things.
cricket it.
Just came like that. Fine. So let's open this one. Okay, so I opened it. You guys, this is so cute. Let's look at the checklist. See who? You guys, we got from the Retro Club, Little Miss. Hold on. Little Miss Jiv. Oh my gosh, it's just like Little Miss Jivius. I am so adorable. I love this. She's so cute.
I want to see the other baby. Wow.
This is so cute. Oh my gosh. She's. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm speechless right now.
Chicky, I want you to get this one. Chicky, I want you to get this one.
Alright, so I will be back with some nice cold water.